Thank you po, Paldo.
Ito pong line up. Salamat kayo, Jemray. Sige lang, rin lang.
How was it, guys? Okay lang. Hangak ka kayo!
Yupak! I'm so yupak after. Hala ka ba? I gotta say, you're welcome. Julahis ang katulad, Julahis ang katulad, Julahis ang katulad, Julahis ang katulad. Shout out there kay Jocelyn Pearl Asido. Thank you for supporting me. I hope you will continue to support me and buy my merchandise. Thank you. Bye. So today we're at the fitness gym, inside the fitness gym. There's a lot of things going on here. There's some kind of accompaniment from the band outside. And it reminds me of my elementary days when I was a member of marching band. I miss those days, yes. Goodbye and see you later at the gym.
Gutlo nga minamay kahapon ang ayan balikan na ang piling nagsigang isingking ilipan tapos sa tong kalimutan ilang silahin maglipay Kakaunan daw Busid lilas na matinudanon Sa sinimano sa kultura Nabalik sa lugot na Ayong pangandoy Mag-iusak
Thank you.